and hello, welcome to my channel, Simply DIY. Today I just wanted to show you how, I don't know if anyone has ever tried these type of paints. They're Artist Loft, but they're the Loft Acrylic. So they come in these big 1-quart bottles here. I've never tried it before, but here is the blue one here. And it comes with the little pump thing. And this runs for about $9. I think it's $9.99, so $10 at Michael's. And I got these with my 50% off coupon. So I paid like $4.43 for these. Okay, today I just wanted to kind of show you how it looks and how it works. I've drawn a picture here. And I'll be painting to let you see how it looks on that drawing. Okay, let me clean off this area a little. I hope that you can see clear. I'm going to tear one of these papers off. Just so that the paint, in case it bleeds, it won't bleed on my wood table here. Okay, I don't want to take all day. Okay. So I'm going to move this to the side. So this here, I'm going to take the black one. And now I think I need something to hold the paint in. So here is a little container here just to put a little of the paint on here. And I'm just going to show you how the texture of it look. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of thick. This paint here, this is the texture of it. So I'm just going to paint a little something here just to give you an idea of how it looks. Nice coverage. And as you can see, you know, it doesn't bleed. I'm using a sketchbook right here. So this is what I'm using. And the weight of the paper, let me see how, it's 50-pound weight paper. So it seems like it doesn't really bleed through, and that's good. So the texture is really cute. I really like the look of it. And it seems to be a pretty nice look. It's kind of shiny right now, but I believe when it dry, it might take on a little drier look. Okay, so now I'm going to take the butterfly here. And I'm going to put this paper under here. I'm going to open this blue one up just to give you an idea of what it looks like. What the blue looks like. I'm not going to take the whole thing off. I'm just going to pop that open and then put a little of the paint there, but I see that I have to do something else here. So the paint comes with a little seal here. You just pull it up. I mean, I think it's a good price. $10 for this big 1 pound I think it's, yes, it's 1 quart, 0.94 liter. I don't know what that equates to, but put a little blue here. Look how cute the blue is. And while I'm doing this, I'm just going to show you my white, which I already put like the little pump inside. It comes with a pump, as this one here, as you can see with this one. Comes with a pump, so I'm just going to pump some in here. But what I'll do, I'll just put a little of it there. Because I won't be using a lot of it, it's really just to test it out. Okay. Now I got a little paint on myself. Okay, so I'm going to take another brush and I'm going to show you how the blue looks. But I'm going to show you how it looks on this drawing here. So I'm going to looks pretty good. It paints really well. I'm going to use a different brush. I'll put this one to the side. And I'll try some of the white black. Should have used that for the white, but just to give you an idea how it looks. Real nice, cute. I like the flow of it. And I'm gonna show you the white. This is real white. But this is how the white would look. Which it looks a little opaque though. But I'm sure if you coat it, should be pretty. I'm going outside the lines, but I guess that's all right. Okay, I'm going to show you. Well, it still isn't dried all the way, but yes, it looks real nice, and it's still not bleeding at the bottom there. And so, thanks for watching my video, and I hope that you will go out to Michael's and buy the Artist Loft Acrylic for $10. You get the coupon, then it's $4.35, I believe. So thanks for joining. I hope that you got some idea of how it looks if you do decide to purchase it. And thanks for watching. If you have a comment down below, let me know if you've tried it before, what other things you've used it for. And thanks for watching again. Bye-bye. And don't forget to subscribe to Simply DIY. Bye-bye.